got it cropped. Mm-hmm.
Making that bitch just a little. I try to hit that bitch.
Just woke up. Time to get the day started, clean up. Shit is slick everywhere. It ain't just crazy in here, but the cave is kind of wild. You know it's a cave when you go to seeing shit like this. Got them new tires for the bikes. Why the hell is it about taking so long to come on? Finally. Here, about to clean up, get the day started. I gotta ride my four-wheeler today, for real. I had it 2 days, ain't rode it yet. They gave me the wrong spark plugs yesterday. So, now, I am about to go back up there, take these back, and get some more. All right, let me go and get on my shit. All right, bet. All right, let me go and get on this clean. Y'all see the slides match the shirt, man. As you can see, if you didn't know, need a haircut. My line all fucked. So, this is my cleaning tire for the day. You know what I mean? Swag got clean. You cleaning the bathrooms. Well, with me, I hate cleaning bathrooms in certain parts of the house, so I don't be want to breathe shit in, so boom, there you go. Yo, it's Reek TV. I'm back on my YouTube grind, you know. Got stuck in Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. I ain't gonna say Facebook, I wasn't on no damn Facebook, but Instagram, Snapchat world. Short videos, 1 minute, 15 seconds, 7 seconds on the story, all of that. I got stuck, man. I got stuck, y'all. And this shit is itching my neck like hell. But yeah, 2013, this is my old page. I uploaded a video a year ago. 3 videos actually, an intro, and then 2 GTA gaming videos of where we was actually doing like some GTA in the hood type stuff. Something I just had always wanted to do. So we finally decided to go on and record it, me and my homies, put it together and put it out. Did the intro, did the first episode. It was supposed to be like a web series. Did the second episode. Got busy. Everybody had busy schedules, couldn't finish. So, I don't know, we might actually try to go on and finish that up, at least one season. The goal was just to finish a season, just to say we did it and to have fun with it. But we got busy lives, man. Everything started going uphill so fast. It was just like everybody had too much to do and everybody's schedules couldn't match up. So, yeah, I'm back. Most of y'all probably don't know me because it wasn't like I was a superstar or some type of super famous YouTuber. But I was on YouTube in the original days when you could get a banner on top of your page. I don't know if they still do all that. I'm literally just coming back now, like this weekend. I know I used to be on there when, you know, you had to apply for YouTube partnership. You get the partnership, you can make a little money. That's what everybody thought. You get a little banner at the top of your page. another image on the side, links in your little description box or whatever. But yeah, that was then. Everything had changed up over time. I got on Instagram, started some companies, started living a more adult life, grew up handling business, and then, you know, fell out of love with YouTube kind of, I guess. I would still watch videos always. Of course, you can't get around that, but I just didn't have the patience and time to try to upload nothing. So now that I'm not actually doing what I used to do on YouTube, which was skits, music, make beats, rap, all that, and I'm just gonna straight vlog, it's easy. I can fit this in my schedule, even when I'm printing shirts, even when I'm working with the clothing brand, and or just we working with the detailing company. I still got time to squeeze all this in now and show y'all what's going on behind the scenes. Because a lot of y'all be on my Instagram and Twitter and all of that, but don't get to see the real ins and outs. Y'all just get to see 1 minute clips of, you know, a little behind the scenes of what we be doing. But yeah, for most of y'all that don't know me, I'm Reek Billions on Instagram and Twitter. And you know, I'm all about uplifting the youth, entrepreneurship, business, and just positivity, law of attraction, all of that. So right now, I'm just giving y'all a rundown on what I'm gonna be doing on my channel, like what type of content I'm gonna be posting or whatever. Got the color change and light thing, change the colors right now, but yeah. So I'm gonna be posting like motivational stuff, you know, day in the life. I bought me a Blaster 200 4-wheeler ATV or whatever 2 days ago, so I'm definitely gonna be posting that, showing y'all the build on that and the growth on it and how I'm gonna put it together, my color scheme. I'm basically gonna match that up to my Porsche or whatever, but that's a story for another day. Either way, it ain't no rainy day. It look like it might rain. I don't care. I'm about to clean up this crib on this Sunday and then try to get active and get on the bike, hopefully. Get active, get on the bike, hopefully, and then shit from there. Who knows what we may get into, you know? But yeah, I'm definitely gonna be posting motivational content, uploading videos about cars, music probably. It's just gonna be a lot. It's gonna be a mix up, just my regular life and what I be doing on the regular. But y'all definitely gonna get to see the business side of things. So y'all will see me print some shirts, do some orders on here for clients or whatever. The business is called Heatwave Creations. I'm gonna show y'all the van I just bought a month ago. I probably squeeze that in today. So yeah, I'll show y'all the van I just bought a month ago. It's basically gonna be a mobile t-shirt printing company right out the van. Like, I got a whole setup that's coming. It's gonna be crazy. So it's a lot going on. Y'all gonna get to see my clothing brand called Fly Era. This one of the tees, one of the hats or whatever. It's this the loopy badge hat or whatever, dad cap. Fly Era though, all that. It's on. I'm gonna drop all the links in the description on my page. Y'all gonna know what all that is before this is over. And we still in the growing stage, so you know what I mean, we kinda big, we doing our thing, but there's always room for growth and, you know, bettering yourself and just linking with new people and networking. So that's what this is about too, you know. Who knows, some of y'all might link us up, see us out in the city. We in Atlanta, if you don't know. And it's up from here. Y'all get to see the growth. Like I said, I ain't even got to start doing the interior detailing of the van. So y'all gonna get to see the van basically from the beginning to where it go in the next couple of years. And y'all gonna get to see the bike from the beginning to next summer when I have it all the way how I really want it. Cause it's gonna be ready next summer, believe that. And y'all get to see me turn up the Porsche too, cause I'm not through with it. I ain't had time. I just got it back out the shop. I'm getting some O2 sensors and all type of crap put on, emission or whatever, but definitely gonna see that. Hold up. Somebody texting me good morning. I ignore that for now. Yeah, so y'all gonna get to see a lot, man. This gonna be great. I don't know why I keep clapping. I just feel good to be back recording this on YouTube and actually vlogging, because I wouldn't do this back then. Like, people used to try to get me to vlog and I used to be like, man, I'm doing skits, man. I'm gonna edit mine, I'm gonna act it out. I got characters. Or once I stopped doing that and started doing the music more and rapping, I'm like, bro, I'm rapping, making beats, trying to sell my beats, push that or whatever. And I went on from that to actually making money, promoting and doing stuff online, starting my own websites. And then I found what I really like to do, what I really want to do, which is print clothes, make garments, make real fashion, detail cars, and just be around my people and just help people, uplift them, start companies and help them start their brands and grow. So that's what most of my brand, that's what my Heatwave Creation brand is. More than just a t-shirt print company, because we don't just print our customer stuff and then let them go on their way. Like, we actually help them build their brands up, like especially the ones that are VIP clients. Like, so it's gonna be a lot, man. I ain't gonna just keep rambling on, going on. I'm finna get to cleaning, take this trash out or whatever. And once I take this trash out, we gonna get the house clean, get outside, get the bike running, and get to it, and then hit these streets. It's up from here, you know what I mean? Take this trash out now. But yeah, it's actually kind of nice out. But one thing I hate is when I walk and my slides be sliding on the ground, making that damn sex. I can't even talk right now. What the hell? Walk with me now, walk with me. Look like it's gonna rain today though, that's the crazy part. Watch, as soon as I get the bike going, running, better try to rain. Guaranteed. Typical Atlanta. Typical Atlanta. I should have had this on when I walked up to the damn trash. Let me get back in here and clean up the house, man, so I can show y'all some more stuff besides the man cave and the trash can. Cause it's up. Follow this journey, it's gonna be crazy. Alright, next stop, kitchen, bathroom, other bathroom. Shit. Hopefully we can beat the rain so that we can ride that bike. Hopefully we can go on and beat the rain. Y'all wanna see some fire? Hold on. These little color changing lights I got off Amazon. Got the little remote to it. I'm sure y'all probably got some. If you don't, go get them. They extra cheap and dope. Bring the chicks over, they love it. Hold on, let me hit the other light. 1 second. Bring the chicks over, they love it. Bring the chicks over and they love it, and they love it. All of them. And I really got them all the way through here, but you can't really, it ain't, not in daytime, you can't really tell, but yeah. Just get you some of them if you wanna have a cool little cave. Let me turn it back to regular though. It ain't no damn party in here right now. It's a cleaning party. All right, bet. I'm gonna get the cleaning out for real so we can get to some real action. Get outside, go see what's really going on in the world on this fine Sunday. Till then, see y'all in a minute. Oh, I bet the cleaning part of the day is over with. See what I'm watching. Them blaster videos. Print room time. Time to turn this on, man. Going to get the heat blasted. Going to get the heat blasted, because that's what it's about to be. Before I can get to the fun. Damn, it like it's about to rain. Bruh. Either way. I'm gonna run through these little crop tops right quick. And I'm about 20, 30 of them for a customer. And then let the fun begin, because it's up. Yeah, I like the wall. It's the fly air room, man. It's the fly air print room, heat wave print room. Tatted the whole wall up. Yep. Homo Air. There's one-eyed shirts right here. Of course, it's a collab tee though. But yeah, let me get to the work, man. Stop bullshit. Just gonna get to the wizard. Stop the bullshit. I'm trying to ride my bike, man. Quad ATV, don't get on my back, y'all. It ain't that serious. Gotta let that warm up first. So once that warm up, we're gonna run through these shirts and then we're gonna get to the actual day outside. Real life. Real nigga shit. Gotta hit it twice to make sure it's all the way on there. You don't want them washing their clothes and then the material coming up off the garment, you know. Then they calling me back talking about refunds and money back and people complaining and all of that. Nope, won't happen. So, finna run through these though. As soon as I get done, we going outside. As soon as I get done, we going outside. So y'all can see this right quick. That didn't take no time. That was actually quicker than I thought this time around. Easy peel. Easy peel. Easy peel. Run through these right quick. You know what I mean? It don't take no time. I'm hands on with everything too. This how I be like. Can't help. Gotta get it done or ain't nobody gonna do it. Alright, bet. Check that out. Only a couple of them didn't come right up off the rip, but for the most part though, that is light work. I can get all that off. Had to put it down. Trying to show out, holding it in one hand, it didn't work. Sometimes you gotta just work. But nah, it's cool. No pressure, everything A1. Make sure all the letters got all this stuff picked out. And that's it. On to the tagging, baby. You. Alright, we at the promised land, baby. Finally almost reached the promised land, y'all. It's almost over with. Down to the last six. Last six crop tops, photo room, out the house, to the festivities, non-stop on the gas. I'm just talking shit, but it's damn sure. Time to get up out of here. For a little while anyway. So I got more orders to do tonight. But until then, what's playing orders that's already done. On to the real motions. This how it look, just to show y'all right quick. You know what I mean? Up close and personal on them tags. Show them they work so they can go ahead and get to selling, make their money back, double it, triple it, however they may go, depending on what they sell their stuff for. If you like these, I will have a link to, I don't know if their website up yet, but I do they have Instagram, so I'll put a link to their Instagram, you can go check them out, and y'all see the finished product. Down to the last military green. Gotta speed it up sometimes. I gotta put the jets on. Looking inside, I get right to it with that flat. I'm gonna get her done. Move on with your life. Work, then play. That's basically what this is. Y'all watching live, work, then play. First day back on the tube. First day back. First day back. Feel like Gucci right now. First day out. It's crazy though. Like, as much as I used to be on YouTube, you would think I know. I'll be able to jump right back into it and used to everything, but it goes to show you much stuff changed over the years. Stuff changed fast, like seconds. Last year, I didn't have honestly, last year I didn't have none of the stuff that I really had. Well, I mean, I had the bins and all of that, but last year around, let me see, I bought my truck in summer of last year. I bought the blaster just this past weekend. I bought the company van last month. So all that was like in a year times of going hard, working, speaking into existence, leveling up, investing. And now look, I'm here recording with y'all. I should have been recording then, showing y'all the damn progress of when I ain't have, or the car I had before I had the Cayenne. But it is what it is. Wait a minute, what car did I have before the Cayenne? Oh no, actually, shit, before the Cayenne, I was riding around in the Zip car. I don't know if y'all know what Zip car is, but yeah. That's the app I was using to get around. And right before the Zip car, I had a Mazda, an 04 Mazda. And you know, I still ain't got the newest shit out of the world, but it's what I like. It's cool to me, so hey, that's all that matters. As long as you doing what make you happy. None of the rest of that shit do not matter. And this is the last crop top. And then we actually are finally done. I've been saying we at the promised land for the longest, and we still ain't made it. We here now. Voila. Slide it over just a little bit. And it's lit. Turn this hot motherfucker off. Shit. Bet. We done. Boom. We lit. Now all I gotta do is take these tees. And actually what I'm gonna do, we gotta take them to the photo room. So I'm gonna go and take y'all. I'm gonna take y'all in the photo room right quick. Take y'all in the photo room right quick. So right now we got a back to school drive coming up, so that's why I got. And don't mind the mannequins being laid all out, but yeah, this is where the mannequin shots go down at. Pictures for the customers and clients, depending on what they request. There's some clothes we had left over from one of the photo shoots. Damn, I was trying to do all that. See me, I'm rocking the slides. Still got a couple on me in. This actually probably just gonna be a giveaway, so I'm probably gonna end up giving these away. Yeah, they're just some pieces we had left over for the female shoot. But yeah, that ain't got nothing to do with this. Let me get to my customer stuff before they be asking what they tracking. Come on. On above it. Oh hell no, that's funny. I'm sorry. Like I'm in here damn wave dancing with a damn mannequin. It's probably the weirdest thing about this photo room. Sometimes I get scared walking in this motherfucker. And we lit. Oh, girl. Hold on, y'all. I'm getting it. Whoa, whoa. Whoa. Why did I put on pink and I ain't got no pink bottoms? Damn. All right, y'all, hold up. We're gonna do this one more time. I'm gonna start from the bottom this time because I'm all over the place. Hold up. Y'all can laugh all you want. Oh, broke. I'm sorry. Me and the mannequin in here doing what we do best. Putting plays together, finishing up customer stuff, doing what's best for the brand. And y'all can see now the whole little setup that I was just in there working on, or whatever. And yeah, that's what be going down in the print room and the photo room. The lights running on the two of them. But yeah, let me take these pictures, send these folks their stuff, and then we off to the outside world, get into some traffic, get into some action. Y'all know what it is.
It's Reed TV. I'm bad. Get up out of here. Be back in a minute.
And y'all gonna get y'all a little sneak preview of that. It ain't fully ready yet though. This is my baby. It's dirty as hell, so don't mind it right now. I'm waiting on Ump to come through and give me a wash. It's filthy. Look. I don't need to get up on it like that. It's dirty. I need to re-hit my wrap and all that, but it's cool. Shut up. Crank this open. ASAP. Crack the fucking roof. I know I need gas. I know. I need to be charging this damn phone. Backup camera turned up from when I bought the bike. I had the trailer on it, trying to record it. Hold on, y'all. Is it right? Is it right? A little lower. Alright, bet it's lit. Hold on 1 second though. I think my damn. Why is this shit even open? Alright, it's locked. Alright, bet. Now I gotta figure out how the hell I'm about to get this to stay where I need it to stay and not move. Let me see something. Actually, I got an idea. Hold up. Until my mount come. This just until my mount come. I ain't got it yet. Hold up. Alright, bet. We gonna get it. We gonna get it. Bear with me. Bear with me. Party people, are you with me? Oh yeah. Y'all gotta bear with me on this video. Listen to the mountain come. Listen to the mountain come. I'm gonna switch the camera to my view in a second too. But I just gotta figure out how I'm finna finesse it. First stop, gas station. Cause we on E. Definitely on E. Bruh, I know we need gas. Yeah, I'm stuck at BP. I don't feel like going everywhere. Stopping at the BP, baby. Stopping at the BP, baby. Let me take this back out. Hold on. Credit right now. 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 You already know we pumping. The guzzler. The gas guzzler. That's what you call it. Goddamn gas guzzler. You be some nasty as hell too. Need to hit this rap over. Atlanta lifestyle. Feel like I've been in the house all day. It's almost 5 o'clock now in the rain. Look at the cloud. Y'all can see it coming. Atlanta shit. Make sure you get your receipt, people. Got somebody using your card after. In my receipt. Getting off church. Getting off church. I sound like they getting off work. They getting out of church, but not off. See, that shit gets a job. Straight off work. Straight off church. Nah, they getting out of church. Almost to the promised land, y'all. Almost to the promised land. Tie light on. I know I need a tie. The other light, that's just a sport, so I ain't worried about that. But I definitely need a tie. This is probably my favorite feature. And of course it's aftermarket, it ain't come like this, but gotta be able to watch your back. And of course the rugs. But I did that myself, so that don't really count. It count, but this camera is like the dopest. Running anyway. Running, just running. Just running. I'm about to go get me some of that. Nah, I'm just bullshit. I don't even eat McDonald's though, honestly. I need my wonders watch. Look at that. See what it's doing to the tent? That's how you know your car dirty and dry. Need the wonders and the car detailed. Come on, y'all, let's hit it. got into my favorite spot, especially when I'm depositing and not withdrawing. Well, this don't count shit. I'm withdrawing. This pay a bill, so I mean, it ain't all that. Pay Georgia Power. Oh, that's the po-po. Coming to get him some Chipotle. Po-po and Chipotle. Damn, truck. What the hell that was about? Got a nice Lexo. To the ATM. Hold up, guess what? I just want y'all to watch my back while I go make this money. Make this deposit, not make no money. Should I leave the car running? Yeah, I'm gonna leave the car running. Nice little ass. Oh, I forgot I record. No, I'm just pushing. No, I didn't. But yeah, as y'all can see, I'm impatient as hell at the Navy. My battery finna die, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna record when I get to this other spot after I charge up on the way there. So, y'all will see the next little segment in just a moment when I come out of the fucking FedEx store in Alpharetta. That's one thing about down here now. It damn near rain literally every day, for real. Like, at least once a day, midday. Crazy, man. Well, looks like it's about to rain on that parade. But actually, it's raining out here. What's crazy, it's probably not even raining where I'm at, though. Shit, we like an hour away. So, hopefully it's still sunny when we get back to our side of town. So, I can still jump on that bike. Wow. As I predicted, y'all can see, pouring down out of nowhere. It was just sunny. We made it to the FedEx. Gotta make it back in the rain. Hopefully it don't be raining. It probably ain't even raining where we at though. That's the crazy part. Yeah. Yeah. We definitely gotta take a run in the rain. Alright. Next journey. Food. And this air can be turned down. That's what I'm saying. It just stopped raining that quick. That quick, it just stopped raining. The sun peeking back out. Already. Sun peeking out quick. Rain for 10 minutes, 5 minutes, then it's right back to normal. Time to get back to the city. Get out of these outskirts. Make sure we don't want no tickets. We don't want, that's Hardee's? Damn, I ain't had Hardee's in a minute. Is it open? I'm about to get some Hardee's. If this bitch open. It look like it's closed though. Damn, don't be closed, Hardee's. Damn, it would be the day I want some Hardee's. This shit closed.
Welcome home to Hardee's.
Give me 1 second.
You're good. Just let me know when you're ready.
All right. Can I get a number 1?
Number 1?
Yeah.
You want to do the combo or just the sandwich?
The combo.
Small, medium, large.
Medium.
What would you like to drink?
Sprite.
Right? All right. Anything else for you?
That'll be all.
All right. Number 1 was medium fry, medium Sprite. Your total is $8.49. Yes,
Damn, they open. I'm acting like they. I mean, it's sad, bro. I ain't had Hardee's in years, so it's been a long time, like since a kid with my dad. But it's changed, y'all. She said 49 cents. $8.49. Damn, I feel like a kid, yo. Like I'm doing a review.
$8.49.
Alright, here you go.
Alright. 1, 2, 10, and 12.
Thank you. Whoa. I feel like I'm doing a review. I'm trying to think, when the last time I had Hardee's? I don't know, I was a kid though. I know that.
There's your Sprite. Give about 2-3 minutes for that.
Alright. We're gonna get this out, so we gotta take that back. Take these down baby ass spark plug back. Old receipts in the arm here. I don't need them no more now. Got a peppermint, a Navy Federal envelope. I need to put this in the house.
Want any ketchup?
Yeah, ketchup.
There you go.
Thank
Is that
you.
good?
Yep.
Alright, you have a good night.
Hey, she's nice as hell too. Shout out to Hardee's for good customer service now. And good, nice employees helping us out. Damn, I ain't had Hardee's in years though. I mean, like years. Like probably like 8 or some shit. 7. I used to have a Hardee's in our hood. Down here, a little gas. Hold on. Just a little something for the people. But yeah, headed back to the city, back to the cave. Well, no, actually we gotta stop by Advanced Auto Part first. Take them back, swap the spark plugs just in case it's still sunny. And then, what else I gotta go do? You gotta keep these. Are you all on my back? Man, I want to eat this burger so bad. I'm about to have to damn near pull over. It's gonna be a long ride, so when I get to Advance, I'll tap in with y'all. We can keep on the show on the road. It don't look like we're gonna be riding a bike today though. We'll find out in a minute. Alright, we back. So camera died on the way to Advanced Auto Zone. I mean Advanced Auto Park, but boom! We got them. I only got 2. And I got some money back. So it's always good to get some money back. I'm holding the camera with my hand too, so don't mind this shit. I ain't had time to do all that other stuff. Went to Granny's, picked up a plate of soul food. Know what I mean? That good soul food, you gotta have that. Just make sure they ain't call that hump me, because you know people be having their little road rage. I'm with all the road rage. I'm with all the road rage, even though I don't want to be. Word to that boy Kawhi, man. What it do, baby? What it do, baby? Take our tenor to the cave, man. See what, I hope Unc here. If Unc here, oh, we definitely riding the bike today. Trust me. I gotta let him put the spark plug in, because I don't know how to do all that. Well, I mean, I do, but I don't.
I just want to let you know that the light over your trailer hitch is on.
Oh.
I don't know what your car does, but just in case, letting you know.
All right, thank you. Damn sure got my backup camera light on. Some people nice, but they'll let you know. Like, hey, bro, check your light. But nah, mine stay on when I ride. I mean, it might not supposed to stay on, but I feel like it do. But now that she's saying it, make me want to go get my mechanic and my dude who installed it. And like, look, bro, is this light supposed to stay on or not? Because honestly, I'm confused right now. Alright, bro, I ain't got time to wait on you. That lady got behind me and got on the right side, like, hey, bro, your light's still on. You know what I mean? Oh, Unc here. That boy Unc is here, y'all. It's a go, big dog. Damn. It's a go, big dog. Back to the cave, baby. I got a backup camera, don't even use it. That's the sad part. I know I'm not the only one that still do that though. I use it for certain stuff. Alright, bet. We back. We back. We definitely back. Back. Who the hell on that bank roll over there like that? They're my favorite artist. If you know me, you know me. You know I love bankroll. And they listen to the video. They watching the video. Shit crazy. We back. We back. We back. We back. Hey, we back. I can't even get my key together. Yeah, I heard it. We back. Got the blast out. It's my new baby. Just bought this on Friday that just passed. Finally got the right spark plug. We about to see what's going down. Y'all see I'm trying to go like the same as the truck with the green. See if this spark plug gonna change the game. Bro, this man got the oldest mix going. That boy got the old Atlanta mix. Futuristic. Look, he shot that video in our hood. Now that I think about it. Yeah. Like it's about to rain, of course. The usual. Hop in the vans. Let y'all get a little rundown of what be going on. We got the mobile world going crazy right now. This who's making it all happen. A lot of people probably don't even notice that. One quick watch mobile detailing. That's Aunt business. Family business, all our business, but he the CEO. Heatwave Creation, that's us, the print business. And then we did the van half and half, of course. Fly Air, the clothing brand. Shop.
Gas, I just noticed that the gas line was off and it still was
You got it crunk. You got it crunk.
I'm trying to hit that bitch on the nigga.
As y'all can see, we back at the cave with it. Back in the photo room with her, but on the wall. Y'all really shouldn't even be seeing all that, but yeah. We got the quad crunk, we got the blaster crunk up today. The spark plug worked. It was a long ride, but hey, we made it. I got to eat some Hardee's. I ain't had Hardee's since I probably was 8 years old. Nah, honestly though, 8 years old for real. Probably, I don't even remember, I'm just guessing, but yeah, I don't know. Either way, it rained, like I said, but that's cool, that's every day. Made it out there to FedEx, picked up the package. Not gonna say what's in the package, but it's something new. Made it back, got the spark plugs, traded 2 on for the correct 2 actually. They gave me the wrong ones, and then actually got a refund because I paid like almost $20 for 2 last time. They gave me 2 for the price of 1, and it was cheap as hell, and it worked. So that worked out in my favor. Once we got the blaster crunk, I ruined my hat. It flew right the fuck off. Like, as soon as I got on and bust like one corner, flew off. But I ain't tripping. That's neither here nor there. Now I'm rocking my Stone Visual hat. Brandon, my videographer, this who do all the video editing for us and stuff like Instagram promo videos, company promo videos, all that type of stuff. Stone Visual, y'all can go hit him up, follow him if you in the A. Might get you some videos recorded or something, you never know. Other than that, you know, it's a slick and I just gotta go take me a shower because I stink. That's about it. But hey, I'm amped up about this blaster more than anything right now. And of course, getting the van fully done, but that's gonna happen. Like, that's business. That gotta happen. But the blaster, that's on some hobby shit. And I ain't gonna lie. I've been here watching dirt bike videos for the past 3-4 hours. I had to get off, come in here, make this, go ahead and get back to putting this shower together and putting these clothes together for these customers. And goddamn, it is what it is, you know what I mean? I don't know what's next. Find something to eat again. Probably put the other mannequin back together because he broke down over there in the corner, as y'all can see. And we gonna run it like that. Then I got the ring like blasted off in here. We ain't gonna even talk about that, but yeah. So it was a slick success today. Everything worked out, you know what I mean? I got blaster running. It ain't how it's supposed to be fully, but it's gonna be there soon. Hey, I can't complain. Nothing else to really do today but get back to work until tomorrow. It's pretty late. I don't even know what time it is, but yeah. Definitely time to goddamn take a shower. Cause I smell myself and it don't smell good. So, I'm about to get rid of this tie-dye shirt. Throw on some new Flyera. Y'all go check out Flyera, flyera.com. That's us. That's our brand, clothing brand. Shop, get you something nice. Use my code BILLIONS for 20% off. And yeah, stay tuned for what's next. I know I'm pulling the blaster back out soon. Get it all the way right. We're gonna go and start working on the interior to the van soon. Got the back to school drive at the end of the week that we're putting together for the kids. Giveaway backpacks with supplies. It's our 2nd annual, so we're gonna definitely do that. I probably won't really be able to record too much because I know I'm gonna be moving around, but yeah, we're gonna definitely do that. And I mean, the summer continues until the summer over and we all going back into hibernation. Other than that, it's up. It's definitely up. But I'm gonna get on up out of here though.